Hi, I'm Bree King, and this is my Capstone 3. The threat is how the ocean is changing in response to global warming, and this will focus on the impact it's had on Portland, Maine. This place is vulnerable because it is in the higher latitudes of the northern hemisphere where there is already significant warming and because it remains an important town for fishing and trading. This is also on a coast which tends to be more in danger because of the pollution from the city nearby. The marine life in this area will have to be strong enough to adapt to the new changes. Increased global warming affects many things in the ocean, such as ocean acidification, the circulations, the change in salinity, deoxygenation, and the nutrients exchanged by upwelling and downwelling. Table 6-6 shows in detail the key risks of the ocean systems because of global warming and the adaptation issues accompanying each risk. 8. Water also has a high specific heat capacity, meaning that temperature differences are very important. Greenhouse gases cause a reflection of heat trying to escape Earth, and about 93% of that heat is sent back is absorbed by the world's oceans. And this is especially bad because the higher latitudes lack a sufficient buffering system against pH change. Jewett. The AMOC is a circulation system which transfers heat, carbon, and other nutrients in fresh water through the Atlantic Ocean. The circulation drives the climate in the eastern US and continental Europe, and if it slows/weakens, it can become a problem. The warmer water being transported from the equator northwards could be what's causing the northern hemisphere to warm. Warm water holds less oxygen, meaning areas further north like Portland are going to have difficulties with their way of life, fishing and trading. The low oxygen levels, ocean acidification, and lack of nutrients in the water because of the weakening of the AMOC would cause fishing to become increasingly difficult. This would cause fishers to lose their jobs, people to have a lack of their main staple, and would result in the people not being able to trade for things that are needed. Another potential risk is overfishing until extinction of species because the fishers are attempting to keep their jobs. Potential solutions could include a transfer to another staple to avoid overfishing and ensuring that no pollution is entering through the coast to prevent any further problems.